hatuna ushahidi wa hata kujitayarisha. Kwa hivyo tunamuomba Bwana Kiragu na makaragozi wenzake waende watuletee nakala ya ushahidi wa Rais Ruto. Asimame pale kama shahidi mwingine yoyote, na mlalamikaji ako na haki ya kulalamika. Tumuulize maswali. Mshtakiwa akishindwa atawekwa jela ama atapigwa faini kama mtu yeyote mwingine, like any other accused persons. If he does not challenge the witness or the statement by President William Ruto, he will be either put in or fined, because these are misdemeanor. But we cannot have proxies actually detaining people here. And Your Honor, the reason why he was even brought to court past 24 hours is to make sure, because these particular counts in the charge sheet will fail. They know, and that is the reason why they prefer having him here. Wanataka wampunish, wamfunge kama miezi miwili, kwa sababu wanajua kuna mahali kesi hii inaelekea. Mheshimiwa, we have been in these courts for long. In 2023, when President Ruto was addressing a gathering at Uhuru Park, the park that is at Uhuru Garden in Langata, they brought these charges, similar charges, where the president was complaining that he was heckled by one Julius Kamau, and your sister Daisy Mutai was very candid, asking the prosecution, "Are you willing to present the witness of the complainant in this charge sheet?" And another one, we can tell you so many, including Professor Njuguna Ndung'u, who complained that a certain activist tried to grab his budget suitcase. And we went before your sister, magistrate. And then Nuru Okanga was here. They asked, "Are you willing to bring these people?" We cannot have, those are comparable witnesses, Your Honor.
So what is happening before you is persecution and not prosecution. And why do we say this, Your Honor? The facts surrounding this case are unique and peculiar. Your Honor, counsel on record, Mr. David Munyiri, after the court imposed the hefty bail and bond terms, filed an application for revision before the High Court under certificate of urgency. Your Honor, you'll be shocked and surprised to hear that that very application to date has no directions whatsoever. So we can see what is in play before this honorable court. And in as much as the conversation under Article 23(2) is yet to be finished, where the Constitution had prescribed that magistrates' courts as well should be able to hear constitutional violations. The accused person, Your Honor, was in custody for close to, is it 5 days, before he was arraigned. So his constitutional rights under Article 52, where an accused person should be arraigned before court within 24 hours, was already violated. So we know the political intonations surrounding this case. However, Your Honor, just in support of the application to have the bail reduced to 50,000, Your Honor, we have appeared before you in the Nuru Okanga matter. And in your discretion while exercising, I've looked at the charge sheet. The charge sheet are crime. So you cannot tell us whether we are able to prosecute or not. It is not your business. No, it's our business. Counsels have taken their time to come before you. 6 counsels. That is the seriousness we are taking this matter with. So, Your Honor, we cannot take that kind of trajectory in this very matter. You cannot tell us we accept an inventory that has an unsigned statement, Your Honor. We need you to also give us directions on that. Yes, he's given us a statement. It's not signed, so how should we accept it? Yes. Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
DCI raided his home along Kangundo Road. So his residence is actually known to the DCI officials who are the IO in this matter. He's a respected citizen who has participated in expanding the democratic space in this country for more than 10 years. And he has nowhere to go. He will be attending this court when required.
In the premises, I'll make the following orders. That the application for immediate review of the bail and bond terms is deferred pending a filing of a pre-bail report. The probation and aftercare services is directed to prepare and file a pre-bail report within 3 days from today's date. We'll mention the case. That is on Thursday, the 23rd of January, for further directions. In the interim, the accused person shall remain in lawful custody with the liberty to raise the cash bail as had already been granted. He can also raise specific and documentary concerns regarding his safety with the relevant custodial authorities. So we'll wait for a pre-bail report before we make a further determination.